How to add a bookmark into your MS Word document. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a bookmark into your Microsoft Word document. So as here you can see, I have the sample MS Word document right here, and in this particular document I'm going to show you how you can add a bookmark. Bookmark are especially helpful when you have long pages and you want to bookmark something. So let me show you how to do this. So the first thing that you will need to do is simply select that particular piece of text that you want to bookmark. So for example, let's say this particular text right here. And then once you have selected the text, the next thing that you will need to do is simply click onto this insert tab over the top left corner of the ribbon, and once you are inside the insert tab, you can see that under the link section the middle option that says bookmark. So you can simply click onto this particular bookmark button in order to insert a bookmark. So once you click onto this bookmark option, you can see that it is opening up a dialog box where we need to specify the bookmark name. So you can specify the bookmark name, like let's say. Also make sure that there are no spaces allowed in this bookmark name. If you add a space, you will not be able to add a bookmark name. So simply make sure that there are no spaces. Instead of spaces, you can use the underscore symbol only. And also you won't be able to use the hyphen symbol. So once you have named your bookmark, you need to click onto this add button, and here you can see that a bookmark has been successfully added for this particular line. Although you might be wondering that why no particular bookmark is being shown. So that is because by default MS Word automatically hides all the bookmarks. So let me show you how you can enable the bookmarks. So in order to enable that, you need to click onto this file tab over the top left corner of the ribbon, and once you're inside the file, you need to click onto this options button. So once you will click onto the options button, so in this dialog box you will need to click onto this advanced option, and once you will click onto this advanced option, you need to scroll down until you can see this option of show bookmarks under the show document content. So simply enable this show bookmarks option and then click onto this OK button. The moment you will do this, you can see that now this particular piece of text that we have selected is now enclosed under these brackets. So these brackets means that this particular piece of text is a bookmark reference. So that's how easily you can add and enable the bookmarks in your MS Word document. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.